In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to put stickers over iMessage. Using stickers in iMessage can add a playful and personalized touch to your conversations with family and friends. Whether you want to express emotions, share laughs, or simply make your chats more visually engaging, stickers are a fantastic way to do that. So let's dive into the steps and make sure you can add that flair to your chats in no time. First, you'll need to launch the Messages app on your iPhone. This is the app that's central to all your texting needs, and iMessage is its standout feature. Once you've opened Messages, focus on either selecting an existing iMessage chat or starting a new conversation. Make sure the person you're messaging is also using iMessage, as stickers are specifically a part of the iMessage experience and won't work the same way with standard text messages. Next, take a look at the icons next to the text input field. You should see an App Store icon or perhaps a plus icon there. Tap on it to access your iMessage apps. This area contains all the fun add-ons and packs you can use within your chats, and stickers are right among them. You'll then need to scroll through the available iMessage apps, browsing until you find a sticker pack that catches your eye. It could be Apple's Memoji or Emoji stickers, or perhaps a third-party sticker pack that you've previously installed. Tap on the pack to open it up and take a look at the delightful assortment of stickers awaiting your selection. Once you've found a sticker you like, tap and hold on it. Holding the sticker is crucial for the next step, so make sure to keep your finger steady. While still pressing down on the sticker, you'll want to drag it over to a message bubble in the chat. This could be text, an image, or even an existing sticker. The possibilities are wide-ranging, allowing for creative stacking and layering of visuals in your chat. After you have dragged the sticker into the desired spot, simply release your finger. You'll see that it adheres right where you placed it, and just like that, you've successfully added a sticker over an iMessage. It adds a fun and engaging element to your conversation and can convey your mood or reactions in a unique way. Playing around with stickers can bring an element of joy and creativity to your conversations, encouraging you to engage with your messages in a visual and playful manner. Try experimenting with different packs and placements, and before long you'll be a pro at decorating your chats. Thank you for following along. Happy messaging.